face, okay?
Move it around on the floor.
Put it on the floor. Yeah, there you go. On the carpet. Do it on the carpet. Put it on the carpet. Get it, Stella.
No, on the carpet. Point it on the carpet. Okay, dice estás en Miss Janice.
That's Mama.
No, not Mama. Gracias, Miss Janice.
That's Dad.
No, not gracias, Daddy. Gracias, Miss Janice.
That's me.
¿Quién?
That's
¿Qué dices?
this.
Gracias, Miss Janice.
That's a penis.
Muy bien. Do you like your new stickers?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you do with them? What do they feel like?
Now.
¿No sabes?
Yeah.
Are they sticky?
Dicky.
What do they stick to?
Worms.
Las ventanas?
Yeah.
Okay. They're a hit. Jimmy in timeout. Jimmy's in a timeout. Sit down. Sit down.
No.
Are you obeying?
Sit down.
Timeout.
The timeout doesn't work because we gotta give us thank you.
No.
Timeout. Sit on the bench. Sit on the bench.
Sit on the bench.
Okay, I guess Jimmy needs a spanking.
No.
Sit on the bench.
No.
You're in timeout. Stay. Not time to get out. Spanking.
No.
You're in timeout.
Okay, so we'll see you, and I'll check in with them for me.
To keep his mind off his troubles, Hector took to the streets. Only to be reminded again. Huh? Does it tickle? No. You want me to stop? You want me to stop? No? Okay. Huh? Do some more? You want some more? Yes.
What? What's wrong? How did you get in there? How did you get inside at the stool? Well, how did you do it? Show me how you climbed in. Uh-oh. Oh, agua se cayó. Climb through the hole. Oh, other hole. That's too small. Oh, that's too small too. Where's Mas Grande? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Be a snake. Slide out. Well, maybe you need to be a snake more. No, está bien. Yay, Jimmy! Lo hiciste. ¿Dónde está el agua? Cógelo.